Hey guys, welcome to the video. Welcome to I was gonna say a small haul unboxing from ipsy/Boxy charm. And so it came in today. It was ordered quite a while ago, honestly, but we have the paper. I'm like a kid. OG background is back. I have ordered a new tapestry. I didn't like the cow print, and I really loved my tree one, and it was just, you all couldn't see the entire thing. It's just so beautiful. So I actually have moved that and am using it actually as a tapestry and not a background. But I did order something different from Amazon. It'll be here Monday. So we're gonna see if I keep that, if I keep the tapestry that used to go here, if I keep it where it's at now, or the new one coming in. I've come to find out that a white background really just is not very flattering at all. You know, even though it was white with the cow print, I mean, it was the white just really set off the lighting, I think. And, you know, even with this, I don't think I look as vibrant, if it makes any sense. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up. First thing is this. This is the MAC Lashes to Lips Kit Neutral. And, okay, this has a, I mean, it's a, comes with 3 things in it. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have a full size of the, I think this is Velvet Teddy. Yes, it is. And, I mean, I have a Velvet Teddy right here. I have the little mini version. And I think this is a very beautiful and flattering color. So, a full size of that. And then the Prep and Prime lippy. And I have one of these as well that I have had for years and years. Whoops. And it works so good to prep your lips, to like put a liquid lipstick on. So I'm super happy. I forgot this was in here. And then I'm assuming that this is not full size. Let me see. Does it say? To this one. This came in a pouch. Oh, this is the Ofra Iconic Collection in Rodeo Drive. So it came with a little makeup pouch. It's just black and it has some sparklies on it. And there's 3 things in here. So let's get this opened. And the first thing is an Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. And I am just gonna pull it out. I'm not gonna open it. Okay, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't broken. and it's not. And this will be going more than likely into my giveaway / friend mail box, because I have several of the Rodeo Drive that I've been working with. I mean, Ofra highlighters are some of my favorite. So specifically Rodeo Drive, Pillow Talk and Blissful and Milk and Cookies, I think, are my favorites. So next we have the Ofra Makeup Drive Makeup Fixer, and this is it looks like that, the Rodeo Drive colors in here. And this, mind you, this is just going on first look. This instantly reminds me of the iconic London setting spray, because it looked just like this. I have to do a comparison on them because I do have that. I just don't use it that much, and now that we're getting into the summer months, I do need to put it into the rotation. And then I got a sticker that says iconic, iconic, iconic. Speaking of iconic London, then I see these stickers. And then this is Ofra Spark Lights Topper. Okay. So this is an eyeshadow. That you can, yeah, look at that. And this is much bigger than the regular size eyeshadows in Ofra. I thought I was looking over here. I thought I had one at the ready, but I don't. But that's really pretty. Really, we're gonna swatch it. Okay, this is very subtle. Can hardly see it. However, it does say, I mean, this is a topper, so, you know, there's no base color really, but it does say if you want to get a foiled look using a flat shadow brush, mist some setting spray onto the brush, dip into the pan, and swipe across the lid. Repeat for ultra shine. So, I mean, that's a nice size single shadow. So that was the Ofra set. Came with a, you know, right nice size makeup bag. The setting spray, a full size of the Rodeo Drive highlighter, and a cute little sticker. Okay. And the third thing I got, and if y'all will excuse me, I need to drink a cup of coffee. Protein coffee, actually. Okay, so this came in a box on its own. Let me grab some scissors. Box is opened. Let's see what this last thing is. I really did forget, guys. Well, this is interesting. All of that could have came in this box, but it's okay. So, the first thing I see is a blush from The Balm, the Girl Powder. And that's what that looks like. That's super tiny, but I mean, that works perfectly to throw in your purse or whatnot. And then it looks like some brushes and a brush bag from Morphe. I mean, this is how it came. So okay, I'm back. So this pouch is, I mean, it's obviously faux. I mean, but it is so soft. I mean, it really is. It's not stiff or anything. It's very roomy. And in it came 3 brushes. It came with a R14, which this one's mine, which looks like this. And I mean, this one's still wet because I literally just washed my brushes, but this is what it looks like. It's very fluffy, and I usually use this to kind of carve this out more. Yeah, I use this as more of a precision type brush, if you would. But so there's one that I didn't open because I already had one to show you right here at me. And this is a blush brush. This is an M105, and this looks to be kind of on the smaller side. I was trying to find a blush brush, but naturally there's not one near me. But yeah, this is very lightweight blush brush. So I'm not going to put this on my face. This I may put this in a giveaway. Yeah, it says a tapered blush brush. So I'm going to stick it back into the package that it came in. The last brush is an M503, and that's what that looks like. And these are fantastic blending brushes. My favorite, and I talk about this this brush all the time. I use one of these in every video, in every eye look. It's an M504, and so now I got the smaller version to blend with. So this is great. Super excited about those brushes. And guess what else was in this bundle? Another Rodeo Drive. Now the packaging is different than on the first in the offer kit. So, oh me. So I have quite a few Rodeo Drive highlighters. So that is it. Is that it? That is it for this little haul from Boxy Charm, Ipsy. I looked up there today. You know, I got an email. Oh, you know, limited time deals, da 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 da. And I click on it, and I see some of the same things that used to be in Boxy's shop. And I see them at such... Granted, it's cheaper than the MSRP, but not by much. I mean, I just was stunned at some of the prices that they had for some of their things. Whew. I mean, you know, a eyeshadow palette, a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette that would have been, you know, $5-6 on Boxy is now $28, $30, you know, that type of thing. Well, I mean, that's a one way to keep me out of that shop. But for whatever reason, these must have been very, very much on sale. If I can remember, I'll look it up and put the prices of these things in the description box. I hope to have this video up damn, I done lost my calendar. The last week in May, yeah. So anyway, and if they have some of it and you enjoy it, you can pick it up. So that's it for this little haul. I appreciate you all hanging out with me and seeing what I got. Please do all the YouTubey things. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me some comments. Make sure you're subscribed and ring the bell. But above all, be beautiful and be blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.